Yeah. They said bow your head. I said bury me standing. I came up hard where the nights don't end, where the wolves stay close and they look like friends. Had dirt in my mouth, had blood on my name, had nothing but pride and a whole lot of pain. They told me, Neil, said, boy, you break, said life gon' crush everything you make. But I took them hits like a freight train does. Didn't fold one time, didn't bend not once. You ever stand there when the whole world's pushing down on you and still not move? I didn't buy